Let's look at AI, because specifically the risk that could lead to the extinction of humans.
I've always thought of AI as the most profound technology, more profound than fire or electricity.
In the age of AI advancements, the question looms large. Can AI truly replace humans? While technology has made incredible strides, there are essential qualities that machines can never replicate: empathy, creativity, and intuition. Join us as we delve into the captivating reasons why AI will forever complement but never replace human ingenuity. Since its start in the 1950s, artificial intelligence has made significant advancements. Modern artificial intelligence systems are capable of a broad range of functions, including playing games, operating on patients, and even recognizing audio, pictures, and spoken language. Concerns regarding the possible harm AI might represent to human work and survival has been expressed as a result of the breakthroughs in AI technology. There is a rising concern that AI may displace humans in a number of occupations, rendering them obsolete and useless. The notion that AI can take the place of people, however, is false. Humans may greatly benefit from artificial intelligence's capabilities in a variety of ways that assist their daily lives and work. AI can learn well and has excellent imitation skills. It implies that AI can spot trends to optimize and recognize important patterns. AI can continue analyzing relevant data for you without becoming weary and can work continuously. The mathematical computations of AI are flawless. They can be calculated considerably more precisely by computers than by humans. Lower-level repetitive, repeating operations that take place in a confined internal context are ideal for AI to handle. AI can assist with repetitive, time-consuming chores and complete many things faster and better than humans. Artificial intelligence can readily carry out rote activities, which means it may displace people in certain roles. For instance, we may free up more time and do our tasks much more quickly by utilizing contact center AI. This enables people to concentrate on the creative utilization of their professional duties. AI may also operate constantly and faultlessly. What, therefore, is AI incapable of doing? Lack of imagination is one of the key reasons that AI cannot completely replace humans. The capacity to think creatively and generate novel, original ideas is a special trait only found in humans. A complicated human quality, creativity, is impacted by a variety of things, including emotions, culture, and experiences. It calls for creative problem solving, novel concept exploration, and taking chances. While AI is capable of data analysis, pattern recognition, trend identification, and even idea generation based on data, it is unable to think outside the box and produce really original and innovative ideas. AI's reliance on pre-programmed algorithms restricts its capacity for original thought. The absence of emotional intelligence in AI is another reason why it cannot take the place of people. The capacity to comprehend and control one's own emotions, as well as those of others, is referred to as emotional intelligence. It entails having the capacity to empathize with others, offer assistance, and establish connections. While AI is capable of recognizing and responding to simple human emotions like happiness, sorrow, and rage, it is unable to comprehend more nuanced ones like love, jealousy, and guilt. In a variety of professions that need empathy and human contact, such as counseling, coaching, and leadership, emotional intelligence is crucial. Contextual understanding is where AI falls short when compared to people. Comprehending complicated events that call for subjective judgment in their context is referred to as contextual comprehension. It includes comprehending the subtleties and complexity of social processes, cultural norms, and human behavior. While AI is capable of analyzing vast volumes of data and seeing trends, it is unable to comprehend the context in which the data was collected. An AI system could be able to identify, for instance, that a certain set of individuals is more likely to commit a crime than others, but it might not be aware of the underlying causes for this tendency. In disciplines like law, journalism, and policymaking, context is crucial. One of the main human qualities that AI lacks is common sense. Common sense is the capacity to form opinions and conclusions that are grounded in reality and experience. It entails employing reasoning, logic, and intuition to arrive at judgments that make sense in a certain circumstance. Though AI may be programmed with a wealth of information and facts, it is incapable of exercising common sense. An AI system could be able to identify, for instance, that a specific medical condition necessitates a particular therapy, but it might not be in a position to make a decision if the treatment is unavailable or the patient cannot pay for it. In a variety of professions, including law enforcement, emergency services, and healthcare, common sense is crucial. AI lacks flexibility when compared to people. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances and habitats is a strong suit of humans. They may take what they've learned from their experiences and apply it to new circumstances. AI, on the other hand, is constrained by its programming and is unable to adjust to new circumstances without reprogramming. Because of this, AI is less versatile and flexible than humans. A human driver, for instance, may modify their driving style in response to traffic or weather conditions, but an autonomous vehicle may find it difficult to respond to unforeseen circumstances. Ethics is an area where AI cannot replace people. The ideals that guide people's behavior and decision-making are said to be ethical. It entails discerning right from wrong and coming to morally sound judgments. Although AI can be equipped with moral guidelines, it is unable to make decisions based on moral standards. In a self-driving car, for instance, an AI system may be trained to put passengers' safety first, but it might not be able to exercise moral judgment in a circumstance when it must choose between passengers' safety and pedestrian safety. In many professions, like law, journalism, and medicine, where choices can have lasting effects, ethics are crucial. When compared to people, AI is lacking in intuition. The capacity to make choices based on instincts and gut sensations is referred to as intuition. It entails making judgments quickly and accurately, in a particular scenario by drawing on prior experiences and knowledge. While AI is capable of data analysis and prediction, it is unable to use intuition to make judgments. Quick judgments may have a big influence in a variety of industries, including business, law enforcement, and the military. Thus, intuition is crucial. Physical dexterity is a talent that humans have that cannot be replaced by AI. Physical dexterity is the capacity to carry out manual tasks with competence and accuracy. It includes manipulating items with the hands and fingers, such as while playing an instrument, cooking, or carrying out delicate medical operations. While AI is capable of performing some jobs with a high degree of accuracy, such as assembling components in a factory, it is unable to carry out tasks that call for human dexterity and touch. In a variety of professions, including music, the arts, and medicine, physical dexterity is crucial. Interpersonal skills are one of the most required skills which the AI cannot perform when compared to humans. The term interpersonal skills refers to the capacity for emotional connection and communication with others. It entails being aware of the emotions, needs, and motives of the people and reacting accordingly. While AI is capable of identifying emotions and responding to simple commands, it is unable to emotionally connect with individuals. In many professions, including coaching, leadership, and counseling, interpersonal skills are crucial. Creativity plays a key role where AI is unhelpful. The ability to think imaginatively and see things that do not exist is referred to as imagination. It entails coming up with fresh, innovative concepts and investigating options that go beyond what is already known. Although AI may produce novel ideas based on data already in existence, it isn't able to conceive creatively or imagine things that do not exist yet. Imagination is crucial in a variety of industries, including invention, design, and the arts. Last but not least, free choice is required, which the AI lacks the most. Free will is the capacity to make judgments and choices in accordance with individual preferences and beliefs. It entails making decisions among several possibilities in accordance with one's preferences and values. While AI is capable of using pre-programmed algorithms to make judgments, it is unable to use individual preferences and values. In a variety of disciplines, including philosophy, law, and politics, free will is crucial. AI technology has advanced significantly and is now capable of carrying out a number of jobs. The notion that AI can take the place of people, however, is false. Numerous fundamental human qualities, including creativity, emotional intelligence, context awareness, common sense, adaptability, ethics, intuition, physical dexterity, interpersonal skills, the capacity to adapt to change, imagination, and free will, are lacking in AI. While AI can help people in a variety of ways, it cannot take the place of humans. Instead of replacing human talents, the future of AI should concentrate on strengthening and complementing them. As we conclude this exploration of AI's potential, remember that technology is a tool to enhance, not replace our human essence. Join the conversation, subscribe, and shape the future together.